So this is the, you do have to hold it for it to work. Instead of trying to clean up all the dirt. Here. You know, I'm gonna show what it really looks like picking up dirt. Here. So picked up everything there. This piece is detachable. It is a little hard to take off. Oh, and it extends. This piece. You really need two hands to take it off. You really do. That's the only thing, is I find it's a little hard. I mean, this piece does extend if you want to get to other places. And then you close it. Here, let me try to take it out quick. There we go. It does come off, as you see. It does pick up lint along the way. And you just press this to open up, and there is a filter inside. I guess it does the job, but you do have to leave it to charge the full 10 hours.
I have tried for the past week to open this. Sometimes it opens easily, and other times you can't open it at all. This time it's impossible to open. I've been trying for the past few days. This was a waste of money, not to mention the dust comes out here on the sides. A waste of money. And if it wasn't dirty, I would absolutely send it back.